वेलकम टू पाथफाइंडर्स ट्रेनिंग्स। आई एम योगेश्वर वशिष्ठ। अभी एक चीज इंटरेस्टिंग, लोग बोलते हैं सर आपके पास में क्या क्या स्टॉक्स है। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट। व्हाट ऑल स्टॉक्स डू यू हैव विद यू सर? सो मैं आपको अपने पहले स्टॉक्स दिखा देता हूँ। एवरीबडी कैन सी ऑल माय स्टॉक्स। आर ऑल माय स्टॉक्स क्लियर टू एवरीबडी? से यस इफ यू कैन सी ऑल माय स्टॉक्स। मुरली कृष्णा सब दिखा? No, I have zero stock in my portfolio. No stocks. Let me go here. This is my Facebook page. And what I want to show you is this. If you see here, this is my post of October 6th, where in my investors club, I have said, good morning. As you know, I have booked full profit in my stocks and mutual funds and also stopped SIP for this month. On October 21, I'll just share it with you. You can have a look at it. And here I have said, please do not be in a hurry to buy stocks for your portfolio. Let some correction happen in the next 2 months. Let some correction happen in the next 2 months. So let's go here and check that out. Now, how did we now people will say, आपको कैसे पता लगा कि स्टॉक मार्केट यहाँ से निकल जाना चाहिए? Now, if I go in the last 2 months, after 6th of October, this is October here, somewhere around this level, we got out. यहाँ हम निकल गए around this level here, totally. And after that, where is the market going? Market is going down. So, how did I manage to get out at the top? Now, let's learn this. सबसे पहले ये सीखते हैं. So now, बहुत सारे लोग make a mystery out of it. I'm an expert. I have this special method by which I will tell out when to get out. But there is no special method for it. If you can understand the logic behind it, even you would have got out. Shall we start with that logic first? How you could have exited at the top here? Shall we start with that? What do you say? पहले ये पता करते हैं कि निकलें कैसे, क्योंकि the biggest problem that happens is how to get out. How many of you are now you have lost your profit has been reduced because the market has gone down? Ramesh says, I want to know the mystery. Okay, let's start with Ramesh. उसी से शुरू करते हैं हम लोग. So let's go here in this. How many of you have heard the name Warren Buffett? How many of you have heard the name Warren Buffett? A lot of you. He's one of the biggest investors in the world. Very down to earth man. So let's go into an indicator called Warren Buffett indicator. This is the Warren Buffett indicator here. Warren Buffett indicator. And in the Warren Buffett indicator, what is a Warren Buffett indicator? It tells the ratio between the GDP of the country. आपने सुना होगा हमारी India is growing at 8% per year. India is growing at 7% per year. Our GDP has gone up. Our GDP has gone down. GDP is gross domestic production, and the figures are available. And then another figure is the market capitalization of the stock market. Now, what is market capitalization? Let's go here to screener.in. And this is TCS. Everybody knows TCS. This is Tata Services. And Tata TCS has got a market capitalization of 13,66,412 crores. So, what is the market capitalization? The total number of shares in the company multiplied by the current market price. So, this is here. So, there are about 500 companies which are called large cap companies, like Reliance, TCS, other companies. So, what is their criteria? When do you call a company a large cap company? When its market capitalization is more than 20,000 crores. जब किसी भी कंपनी का market capitalization 20,000 crores से ज्यादा होता है, तो it is called a large cap company. There are about 500. Then there are mid-cap companies. What are, like, for example, if I go to Escorts, this is Escorts Limited. Then it has got a market capitalization of 25,500 crores. This is a mid-cap company. Means when the market capitalization of the company is between 5,000 crores and 20,000 crore, 5,000 crore और 20,000 crore के बीच में market capitalization होता है, तो it is called the mid cap company. There are about 3,500, 3,500 mid cap companies, and then there are, for example, there is चमनलाल शेठिया राइस एक्सपोर्टर्स, मेरा फेवरेट कंपनी है, बहुत पैसा कमाया इस समय, तो इसका मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन है 490 करोड़. सो व्हेन द market capitalization of the country of the company is less than 5,000 crores, it is a small cap company. तो स्मॉल कैप कंपनी क्या कर रही है? मिड कैप करने की कोशिश कर रही है. मिड कैप कंपनी क्या कर रही है? लार्ज कैप बनने की कोशिश कर रही है. In 1980, was Reliance a large cap company or a small cap company? ऐसे who will tell me? 1980 में रिलायंस लार्ज कैप कंपनी था कि स्मॉल कैप कंपनी? स्मॉल कैप कंपनी था. फिर मेहनत करी, बड़ा हुआ और लार्ज कैप बन गया. सिमिलरली 1980s, अर्ली 90s, Infosys was a small cap. So they're all doing businesses, these particular companies here. So now let's come back to the Buffett indicator. What it says is, if you add the market cap of all the companies that are listed on the stock market, like in India, about 8,000 companies are listed, and divide that by GDP, ratio of total market cap over GDP is called Warren Buffett indicator, और ये indicator all over the world किसी भी country में applicable, and it's one of the most accurate indicator. इसको लोग छिपा छुपा के रख दे. If you can learn this, now कितना है इसका? 140. Where is showing? 140. Now, what is the average value of a healthy stock market in India? A Warren Buffett indicator of 75, roughly. And when COVID happened last year and our stock market crashed, at that time, there was the lowest value of the Warren Buffett indicator. It was called, it was about 48, 49. So now, let's do a very simple common sense mathematics. Now here, Warren Buffett indicator for the moment is 114.25. The healthy indicator of the Indian stock market, the Warren Buffett indicator, is about 75. So 75 divided by 114 is 0.65. And our market at this moment is somewhere around 17,200 into 17,200 is 11,315, means is worth getting back into the market, especially in stocks, only when the price corrects down to 11,350. So I go here and I mark the level, which takes me somewhere around this level. That means somewhere around this level, this is the correction that is expected in this market in the next one. Every bull market is followed by a bear market, and that is the reason around this place, once COVID finished, I got out. I booked my profits. The एक method है. Now, everything that you have should be, you need to double check with some other methods. We will check this with 3 methods. इसको हम 3 मेथड के साथ चेक करें. Now, second very popular way by which you look at if the market is cheap or expensive, any market in the world, is by using the price to equity methods. Now, the rule of thumb is that a healthy PE of the market is double that of GDP. How much is the GDP growth of India, guys? Let's take it very simple. How much is the GDP growth of India? About 8%. So, if the GDP growth of India is 8%, what is the healthy PE of India? What should be a healthy PE of India? Multiply it by 2. What would be the value? 16. Very good, Piyush Samta. 16 to 18. Very good, Gandhar. Now, let's check out. We checked out here, let's say this month here in this, get data, and we see the current P of the market is about 23. And here in this, I'm also sharing the links with you. This is the link here. What it says is, I'm sharing the links continuously so you can see. If Nifty is between 25 to 30, it's a rare event and a screaming sell, search for shorting opportunities. I got out of the market when the P was about 28. उस समय P 28. 20 to 25, currently we are at 23. Book 80% profit and wait for better entry levels. Average 15 to 20, buy or hold. 12 to 15, a screaming buy. And according to this, now, what is the current 23? So 16 divided by 23 is 0.69 into 17,200. So according to this method, what is the level of the index? According to the growth of our country, हमारे जीडीपी की ग्रोथ के हिसाब से मार्केट लगभग 12,000 के आसपास पे करेक्ट होके आना चाहिए. Is this matching with the Buffett indicator? Yes or no, guys? Is it matching with the Buffett indicator? Yes, it is matching around that level. 200 rupees here and now let's go and see the historical P's of the market. ये historical value है of this market here. This is the P. And up and down is a regular cycle of the market. ये up or down market की regular cycle है. यहां देखिए ये 1999 से 2021 के एंड तक है. Look at 2000. 2000 में the P went up to 28.4 और उसके बाद क्रैश आया, मार्केट नीचे गया, P हो गया 10.8. वहां से गया 21.8, क्रैश होके नीचे आया 12. Then remember 2007 end crash हुआ, the big crash. Where did the market go? 28.2. Crash down 2008, biggest crash our market has seen. Where did the PE come down? 10.6. वहां से ऊपर गया 25.9, नीचे आया 15.3, ऊपर गया 29.9, क्रैश होके नीचे किधर आया 17.15. उसके बाद अभी ये वाला फिनोमिना समझ लेते हैं. When COVID came, do you remember last time a disease like that had come? Anybody remembers? Last time इतनी बड़ी महामारी कब आई थी? Make a guess. 1920. Very good. The swine flu. Not swine flu. 1920s में World War II के बाद this महामारी came, and because of that there was a recession that happened till 1935. History repeats itself. It came till 1935. And this time also, the politicians were very scared कि वो हो गया तो अगले 10 साल तक पूरा वर्ल्ड रिसेशन में चला जाएगा. प्लीज कंसेप्ट समझने जरूरी. सो व्हाट हैपेंड इज यूएस स्टार्टेड प्रिंटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. यूएस स्टार्टेड प्रिंटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. इनफैक्ट लास्ट 2 साल में दुनिया में जितनी करेंसी प्रिंट हुई है उतनी लास्ट 200 साल में भी नहीं हुई, because they didn't wanted the world markets to crash because of the COVID. And because our technologies are better, उस टाइम पे एक क्योर ढूंढने में 15 साल लगे. This time we could find a cure only in 1 year. And money was pumped. And because of that huge pumping of money, and everybody was sitting at home, where did everyone put that money? क्योंकि कुछ काम था नहीं, फैक्ट्रीज बंद हो गई थी. Where was everybody putting their money during COVID? Make a guess. In the stock market. And because of that, where did stock market go? It shot up like crazy. And it kept going. In India itself, about I think 25 lakh new accounts were opened every month. And everybody was talking about stock market. It went up. And our P went to 42. 42. And now from 42, it has already come down to 23. And won't the same tell me, is it a mystery or is it a cycle? ये मिस्ट्री है या साइकिल है बताइए आप। आपको मैंने सीक्रेट बता दिया। अर्जुन मिश्रा बोलते हैं सर साइकिल इट्स अ साइकिल। स्टॉक मार्केट में साइकिल्स होती हैं। सो इफ यू know the cycle, you will know when to enter and when to. Now here it is coming down, and I'll wait patiently for it to come to this level. And now when I don't have any stock, how am I making this money? जब मेरे पास कोई स्टॉक्स ही नहीं है तो how am I making a 26% in a month, 75% in a month? You can see I'm continuously making because that cash is lying with me. I'm trading the most leveraged product, futures and options. उस पे आता हूँ थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ उस पे futures and options पे. And when the market will come down, अब उसी पैसे से with that money, I got out in October, and you see, with that money, earlier I was not having that much money. With that money, in these 3 months, I've already booked a profit of 22 lakh rupees. और जब मार्केट नीचे उस लेवल पे आएगा तो मैं उससे क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स खरीदूंगा. It's a cycle that you have to understand. Thank you very much, and God bless you.